Hey y'all, I'm Ariel and this is So This Happened. Today we're making air fried chicken. Let's get started. So I missed you all last week, but today I'm back and I have a super simple recipe. It's not really a recipe, it's more so of a pro tip. I'm gonna show you how to make air fried chicken. A lot of people have difficulty with this. It seems like it's super easy, but with the air fryer, you tend to get ashy chicken. I'm gonna teach you how not to get ashy chicken. So the things we'll need for this recipe are your favorite chicken fry, chicken wings, and a gallon bag to shake. This recipe should take about 30 minutes, give or take. Let's go. So right here I have my chicken wings. And to my chicken wings, I just went ahead and cleaned them, washed them, made sure they didn't have any impurities or feathers or anything, so they're good to go. You can have your favorite chicken fry. I've never tried this one before, so we're gonna be experimenting today. But if you have a homemade dredge that you like, you can use that. Any store-bought, you can use that. It doesn't really matter. And like I said, your gallon bag. So to start, I'm gonna go ahead and open my chicken fry. This is Andy's. I've never tried Andy's before, but apparently you can bake, broil, and fry with it. Thought that would be pretty good to try it in the air fryer, so here we are. It smells super good too. Don't want to get it everywhere. Okay. But yeah, it smells great opening the package. Let me just prop that up and get my bag open. And I have about a pound of chicken, so I'm just gonna do maybe half because this whole bag does about 2 to 3 pounds. So I'm just gonna put half the bag in here for my chicken wings. It actually does smell super good. It smells like my dad's chicken. Andy's might have something on you, Daddy. Just kidding. So this looks like enough. And to this, I'm gonna go ahead and drop my clean chicken wings into it. And I just like to give it a good shake, just to do a pre-coating right before I get it in there. Oh my God, it does smell really good. Like you can smell all the spices in this. All right, okay, Andy's. I see you. So I'm gonna go ahead and close my bag tightly. Make sure it's completely secured. You don't want dredge all over your kitchen. Gonna give that a good shake. Make sure everything is coated and all the creases and crevices, tips. And no, I didn't pre-season my chicken before dredging it. Andy says for best results, let it sit for about 5 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do with this. Just let it chill for 5 minutes. I've learned that when you do make chicken and you pre-season it and then you put it into seasoned flour, if you don't necessarily fry that batch right off right away, that salt seeps into the chicken and it makes your chicken salty. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow the directions with Andy's and let my unseasoned chicken sit in the seasoned dredge for 5 minutes. So I'll be back. Go ahead and spray your air fryer liberally with vegetable oil. Arrange your chicken wings in the air fryer in one even layer so they don't touch. After the wings are placed in the air fryer, spray them liberally with vegetable oil. Set your air fryer to 380 degrees for 12 minutes. After that first 12 minutes is up, flip your chicken wings. After you flip them, spray them liberally again with that vegetable oil. And set the air fryer to 400 degrees. Let it cook for 12 more minutes and then they're done. Our chicken is out of the fryer and look how pretty that turned out. It's so nice and crunchy. You would have never even thought that it wasn't fried in oil. I love my air fryer. I absolutely love my air fryer. So My favorite part, as y'all know, we taste. Look at that wing. It's so crunchy, just like it came out the grease. The inside is done. There's no pink. It's perfect on the inside. Let's go. Cooked all the way down to the bone. It's really good. I will say it could have been just a tad bit saltier, but that could be because I didn't let it sit long enough, or I could have just added more salt on the chicken itself before I breaded it. So it could be user error. It could be the company, but I would definitely try Andy's again. It has a nice little spice to it, but with this method, I'm pretty sure that whatever dredge that you use will come out great. I'm gonna go finish this chicken. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend. All the pictures that you all have been sending in, keep sending them. They make me so happy. Thank you so much for tuning in. This chicken is just really good. I'm ready to get back to it. So I'll see y'all later. Be safe. Bye.